How to start a successful business. 1. Choose a business idea. Identify a problem. Find a problem or need that your business can solve. Research. Conduct research on various business ideas and evaluate their feasibility. 2. Create a business plan. Introduction. Provide an introduction to the business, including a mission and vision statement. Market analysis. Analyze your target market, customers, and competitors. Marketing plan. Develop a strategy for promoting your product or service. Financial plan. Include initial costs, cash flow projections, profit and loss estimates, and a break-even analysis. 3. Complete legal formalities. Registration and licenses. Register your business and obtain the necessary licenses. GST tax registration. Get a GST number and complete tax-related formalities. 4. Arrange funding. Personal capital. Use your savings or personal assets. Bank loans. Explore options for taking a loan from a bank. Investors. Present your business plan to potential investors to attract investment. 5. Launch in the market. Prepare product service. Develop your product or service and ensure its quality. Marketing and promotion. Use social media, advertising, and promotions to market your product service. Distribution and sales. Establish sales and distribution channels. 6. Focus on customer service. Get feedback. Collect feedback from customers and implement their suggestions. Timely service. Provide timely and quality service to customers. 7. Continuous improvement and growth. Evaluation. Regularly evaluate your business and identify areas for improvement. Innovation. Develop new products or services and update your business according to market trends. Conclusion. Starting a successful business requires patience, dedication, and a clear plan. By following these steps, you can lay a strong foundation for a thriving business.